Healthy, meatless, and actually delicious. Today's tofu stir fry is packed with both flavors, fresh vegetables, and a rich savory sauce. It is faster than takeout and healthier than delivery. And it's done in 20 minutes. So here's how you can whip up a quick, satisfying tofu stir fry in no time. Here is what we need. Firm tofu, as opposed to silken tofu, which is used for soups and steamed dishes. Young corn. Chili. You can substitute this with red bell peppers instead, if you do not like your dish to be too hot. Carrots. Broccoli. Edamame. Garlic. Ginger. Let's start with the tofu. Tofu always comes packed with some liquid. Drain the liquid and pat the tofu dry. Cut it into bite-sized cubes. We need the tofu dry so that we can brown it a lot easier. Firm tofu is great for stir fries because it holds its shape better than silken tofu. Silken tofu is used for soups and steamed dishes. If you use silken tofu here, you'll end up with a tofu scramble, which is still delicious, but this is not what we are making today. Slice the young corn diagonally. Cut the red chili diagonally as well. If you don't like your dish to be too spicy, you can substitute this red chili with red bell peppers instead. Remove the edamame from the pot. Slice up the carrots. Cut up your broccoli into smaller florets. Next, let's prepare the stir-fry sauce. In some water, add in light soy sauce, oyster sauce, or you can use vegetarian mushroom sauce instead. Sesame oil, sugar, white pepper. Grate the ginger into the sauce. Do the same for the garlic. Stir all this to combine and set it aside. We will use some cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. For this, we will need some corn flour. Mix it with some water. Stir till the corn flour dissolves. Then set it aside. To cook, put your pan over a medium-high heat. When the pan is hot, put in a couple of tablespoons of oil into the pan. When the oil is hot, slowly drop in the tofu. The oil is hot and it will splatter, especially when your tofu is not dry enough. So, be careful and try not to burn yourself in this process. Fry the tofu till the bottom is golden brown. Then, flip the tofu over and fry the other side as well. There is no need to fry every side of the tofu till they are golden brown. It just depends on how patient you are. When 2 or 3 sides of the tofu are golden brown, remove them and set them aside. Next, put in some more oil into the pan, or remove some if there's too much. Heat up the oil over medium-high heat again. When the oil is hot, add in your carrots, young corn, and broccoli. Stir fry this for about a minute till you get some charring on the vegetables. Something like this. Pour in the sauce. Let the sauce come to a boil. Cover. The steam created in the pot will help tenderize the vegetables. Let the steam build up for about a minute or two. After 1 minute, add in the edamame and the red chilies, or the red bell peppers if you're using them. Stir fry all this for another minute. Then pour in half of your cornstarch slurry. But remember to give your cornstarch slurry a good stir, as the corn flour would have settled to the bottom of the bowl by now. The sauce should thicken up almost immediately. If it's not thick enough, pour in more cornstarch slurry. Return the tofu to the pan. Give all this a good mix. Then taste and adjust for seasoning. When it is the way you like it to be, pour some Chinese cooking wine around the sides of the pan. You should be able to hear the sizzle and smell the aroma. Chinese cooking wine adds depth and umami to the dish. And pouring it around the edges of the pan allows it to evaporate quickly, leaving behind a rich aroma. Give all the ingredients a quick toss to make sure that all the ingredients are coated with the sauce. And just like that, you've got this delicious meatless stir fry in just 20 minutes. Simple, fast, and packed with flavor. Who needs takeout when you can make this at home? If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button. It will really help out this channel. And let me know in the comments below what's your favorite way to cook tofu. In the meantime, check out these other videos for must-try dishes. And I'll see you in the next one.